We.
I got this.
Hello again. Their leaders are hiding inside my facility. They stole our technologies. I'm angry. My anger is immeasurable.
Me bomba!
They think they're safe inside. They're wrong. This device is my personal master key. It opens every door, grants access to any computer inside. I can't do a lot from here, but I'm sure your army can handle this. Good luck.
Where are you going?